Welcome back to another edition of the Local Business Spotlight series, brought to you by the Locally Connected Community Hub.
Yeah, and this is a fun one. We just had coffee the other day with Jason Kipfer, the Hub's founder, and our guest of honor today.
We did, and we're going to do a deep dive on that conversation, spotlighting Rob Dice, the owner of Insurance Made Simple out of Guelph.
This is really just, a way for us to say thank you for the support he shows the Hub.
Absolutely. And even though his industry is insurance, which can feel a little cold, his whole approach is anything but. It's warm, it's personal.
So let's just get right into it. We have to talk about the name. An insurance broker named Dice.
Right. I mean, it sounds like something out of a movie. Roll the dice with Rob.
Exactly. And he talked about this. He said early on he was actually worried about it. He thought, who's going to trust a guy named Dice with their money?
But he totally leaned into it.
Mm.
He stopped seeing it as a weakness, and now it's his brand. It's memorable.
It absolutely is. And it gets you in the door, but it's his philosophy that keeps you there. He was very clear about this.
What was it? He said.
He said, I don't sell insurance.
Right. I guide you to finding a plan.
Yeah. And that comes from a really personal place. He's been doing this for about 11 years. And he started because he felt kind of lost when he was, in his words, learning how to adult.
He made mistakes, didn't have a guide, so he became one.
And that word independent is so important here. It's not just a nice marketing term.
No, it's a technical thing. It means he doesn't work for one big insurance company. He's not a captive agent.
He works for you, the client.
Yeah.
He shops the entire market to find a solution that actually fits your life, not the other way around.
And that scuba diving story from our chat is the perfect example of why that matters.
Oh, yeah. So this couple comes to him, right? And the husband's just gotten into scuba diving.
A new kind of risky hobby.
Totally. So Rob does a deep dive, no pun intended, into their existing policy.
And he finds the fine print.
He finds the fine print, and it specifically excludes accidents from scuba diving. If something had happened, they would have had ZO coverage.
Wow. And their old agent never caught that.
But because Rob is independent, he just went out and found them a policy that did cover it without it costing a fortune. That's the value.
It's competence, but it's also about how he connects with people. He's not just a suit.
Not at all. He's a musician. He's got a rescue dog. He's a huge old car enthusiast.
Yeah.
Does all the work himself.
And he goes to that local car cruise, right? He's not there to sell anything. He's just there to talk cars.
Exactly. But then a friend from the car meet refers his son, who just bought a house and has a baby on the way. The trust was already there.
The business just followed the genuine connection.
Which is such a perfect fit for the Locally Connected Community Hub's mission, strengthening local relationships, leading with integrity.
He's been a member since December 2023, and he said he just felt welcomed. He never feels out of place.
And that's what the Hub is all about.
Before we wrap up, we should mention that one specific thing he does for families, the life insurance plans for kids.
Right, this was so interesting. It's not just about protection. He structures them so they become a future asset.
Like a source of funds for college or starting a business down the road.
Yeah, it turns insurance into a tool for building wealth. It's really forward thinking.
So if this resonates, if you're looking for that kind of guide, connecting with him is super easy.
He just says to let people know you know a guy.
I love that. You can also find him at robertdice.ca.
Yeah.
And he's a good listener over a Starbucks latte.
Definitely.
This series is all about celebrating local members like Rob who make our community stronger. So a huge thank you to Rob Dice and Insurance Made Simple.
It's important work.
We'll leave you with his favorite way to unwind, which I think we can all use. Windows down, tunes up. Thanks for listening.